In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a Hostinger coupon code discount. By using the Hostinger promo code at checkout, you'll save even more than you see being listed on the Hostinger plans page as seen here. You'll also get a free domain name on select Hostinger annual plans. I'm going to walk you through the steps to get the Hostinger coupon code discount so you can get Hostinger hosting at a discounted price, saving you money. To get your Hostinger coupon code discount, click the link below in the description and you just need to enter the Hostinger promo code I provided with the link in the description at checkout. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome Hostinger discount. Now let me walk you through the steps to get the Hostinger discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Hostinger shared hosting plans page. Something I want to mention is the Hostinger coupon code will work on all other types of Hostinger web hosting services offered, like WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, and more. The steps will be the same. Click the Get Started button or scroll down to the next section where it lists the plans. You'll see the single, premium, and business shared hosting plans. Something to keep in mind is the Hostinger promo code will save you even more than what you see being discounted once you enter the promo code at checkout. After choosing plans, scroll down to the total section on the next page. Enter the Hostinger promo code found in the description with the link. Once you click the plus icon, scroll back up to the top, you'll see the additional savings you'll be saving on your Hostinger hosting purchase. Here's the Hostinger single shared hosting plan discount. You'll see you can get web hosting for as low as $185 a month depending on the term you go with. You'll get a savings of up to 81% off. This plan doesn't come with a free domain name. Next up is the Hostinger Premium Shared Hosting Plan. You'll see you get Hostinger hosting for as low as $278 a month depending on the term you go with. You'll also get a free domain name on any of the annual plans. You'll get a savings of up to 77% off. Next is the Hostinger Business Shared Hosting Plan. You get Hostinger hosting for as low as $464 a month depending on the term you go with. You'll also get a free domain name with any of the annual plans. You get a savings of up to 73% off. That is all there is to it. You've taken advantage of the Hostinger hosting coupon discount. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if this video was helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostinger hosting tutorial videos.